You have to go international because Ireland isn't big enough to sustain the amount of musicians that are actually playing Irish traditional music as a profession. So we have to go international, and there seems to be a market there. We're just back, Altan are just back from a 6-week tour of Germany, full houses every night. So I can't understand, I mean, I think the music itself, it's a huge compliment to our tradition that we can play Irish traditional music all over Germany, we'll say, or Japan, or go to America and be able to and we're not the only band. There's umpteen bands playing, traditional music for a living. So you do have to leave the country, but that's nice as well.
But, are we, I suppose we're all trying to find different ways to sell Ireland at the moment and to make Ireland unique and appealing to visitors and that kind of stuff. Yeah. Do you think that maybe traditional music generally has been getting a fair crack of the whip by, the tourism authorities or those who are responsible for getting the Irish name out there internationally?
I think the musicians do it very well, but I feel that still we as a nation need to be proud of what we have, and maybe the government should maybe back the musicians a bit more, and it shows a good, the majority of musicians that go out there work very hard to promote their local music, the music of their own areas, and and maybe entice people back to Ireland. So I think the government should really consider that as another option, as maybe the only option of showing what our natural resources are. Our natural resources are, we don't have oil, we don't have any more turf left, we don't have anything else except the beauty of the country and our culture. So why not invest in that?